Welcome to the old Bertie Sullivan YouTube channel, where we try to answer questions both complex and simple. And today we're talking about the employment law question of the Fair Labor Standards Act. Ed,
Sure.
what is the Fair Labor Standards Act anyway?
Okay, the Fair Labor Standards Act is basically the law that says that people are entitled to both a minimum wage and a premium overtime payment for hours worked over 40 during a work week. It's actually an old Depression era law that was set up during the Roosevelt administration. And the idea of the law was really twofold. One, to make sure that workers got a basic living wage, and two, that companies would be encouraged to hire additional employees to relieve the country of the high unemployment rate. So they did that by putting a disincentive for companies to work their employees more than 40 hours in a work week.
Can a company opt out of the Fair Labor Standards Act, Ed?
They cannot opt out of that.
Even if they get somebody to sign saying that they agree not to be covered by it?
No, that comes up quite a bit where companies rightly think they made some agreement with the employee who would normally be covered by the FLSA, but is always covered by the FLSA. And so whether or not you engage as an employer or an employee on an agreement regarding wages does not mean it's enforceable.
Thanks, Ed. Stay tuned. We'll be back with more answers to questions about the Fair Labor Standards Act.